What is Cloud Backup Service? Cloud Backup Service is a unique offering available in the market that delivers end-to-end and cost-effective backup and restore capabilities for protecting and archiving cloud and on-premise ONTAP data. It's a quick and efficient snapshot-based block-level backup solution. In just a few clicks, you can go ahead and protect the entire cloud volumes ONTAP and on-prem clusters to customer-owned public cloud object storage in AWS, Azure, and GCP. Since it's fully automated through Cloud Manager, you don't need any external tools or backup expertise to manage it. With Cloud Manager API support, you can automate your DevOps as well as operational workflows. When it comes to backing up ONTAP data, traditional file-level backups just aren't the best way to go. File-level backups loses efficiency of ONTAP, it impacts production by reducing total available throughput, it's unreliable and require extremely long backup windows. But with block-level backups with snapshots, it keeps all the ONTAP efficiencies. Backups are faster with no impact on production, it's reliable, and block-level backups are incremental forever. Cloud backup primary use cases include backup and archive in the cloud. Backups are off-site, hence satisfies 3-to-1 backup strategy. Provides long-term recovery when volume is deleted or unavailable. It could be used as a simple DR solution which enables you to recover your data to cloud volumes ONTAP in that particular region. It provides you with ransomware protection because backups are read-only and can't be modified. And tape modernization, where they replace legacy tape with cloud backups. With Cloud Backup, we have taken the best of NetApp snapshots and created a backup service for ONTAP data that outperforms any service today in terms of performance, efficiency, and even cost reduction, with an automated set and forget system which is incremental forever that copies blocks of data, not files, so that you can back up only the data that you have changed. Cloud Backup is faster, more efficient, more reliable, and scale limitlessly. The Cloud Backup service is so simple. It only takes 3 steps to set it up. The process is built into Cloud Manager, and all you have to do is choose where you want to store your data, choose the volumes to activate the backup, and you're done. Cloud Backup executes the backup and retention policies for your selected volumes, and there is no need to configure anything else. For more information, visit Cloud Central, cloud.netapp.com.